is to install an interior drain tile system, moving the water away from the problem area to a collection point, and then pumping it away from the house. Standard water control systems jackhammers around the perimeter of the concrete floor about 18 inches from the wall. We dig a trench and slope it so the water will flow downhill toward the sump basket. Holes are drilled into the concrete blocks of the foundation. The concrete blocks are porous and hollow, and they can collect water. The holes allow water to drain into Standard Water's Service Mark Superior Sump System, available only from Standard Water. The sump pump and basket are set in place, and Standard Water's Service Mark Seamless Discharge System is attached. Seamless Discharge is only available from Standard Water Control. As a part of every water control and removal system we install, we add Dual Discharge, an extra bonus at no charge to the customer. This is done in case the homeowner would like to add a battery backup system later. Some companies install a single discharge system, then just add a backup pump in line. Standard Water does things differently. Dual discharge allows for additional pumping capacity. Drain tile is then set into the trench. Standard Water uses 3-inch rigid PVC pipe laid with the holes facing down. This way, as the water level rises, it will enter the pipe and be carried down to the sump basket. Gravel is installed around the drain tile to act as a filter medium. Next, Standard Water's patented Diamond Drainage Board is installed. Diamond Drainage Board directs water coming through the holes drilled in the foundation and other moisture into the system. Application of this patented product provides the homeowner with many benefits over conventional methods. It facilitates the unrestricted flow of water from the block across the footing and into the drainage field. It eliminates the concern of sediment blockage in the small openings of tubes and other products. Diamond Drainage Board allows for replacement of concrete to the same thickness as the original floor, with positive contact to the footing and wall, maintaining your floor's structural integrity. It also resolves the need for an open gap between the floor and wall for moisture barrier installation.